love you. AJ, love you.
Sister ko to eh, wait lang. Hala, sister ko to eh. Miss Angel Galang on the stage.
Hello mga tao! Sa mga fans natin, mga drag queens.
Ang ganda mo naman.
You as well.
Grabe naman.
Lahat ko kasi.
Kumusta? Movie superstar. Kumusta naman? Ang ganda mo naman. May message ka ba para sa Maxi Babes?
Ang ganda-ganda mo naman tonight.
Wala lang to. Ano ba?
Pag-isip mo, ayang ka na.
Exactly. Natulog ako super excited ako sa movie mo. Siyempre, abangan na sabi ko, hala, sa ate ko yan. Papanoorin ko lang yan.
Support each other.
Of course, exactly. Because we want to see drag queens in the mainstream. Tama?
Correct.
What now, Miss Adam, Miss Maxi, what makes you proud to be part of this film?
What make me proud na nakikita ulit ako sa film, uma-acting ako ulit. Kasi mahal ko talaga yung acting, di ba? Doon naman nagsimula yung pangalan kong Maxi.
Yes.
So, coming back to acting industry, alam mo, parang sobrang iba rin kasi yung mundo dito eh. So, sobrang nakaka-proud na meron tumanggap, merong kumuha sa akin at may nagtiwala ulit.
Yes, ang daming support! Sobrang aga ng Maxi Babies, no? Kaya kayo, waiting, no? Parang 4 p.m. nandito na kayo.
Thank you so much.
Maxi, why should everyone watch this film?
Because this film is different from the other. Diba? Way different. Parang bago sa, alam mo, bago sa pandinig ko yung usapang kepay talaga dahil, promise. So, tapos gagawa mo ng movie tungkol kay, ano,
exactly.
Diba? So, sobrang different niya. Sobrang ganda din.
We are so excited to see you slay it on the stage. Thank you so much for gracing us. Ang ganda ni Maxi, hoy! Nakakaloka!
Mamaya lang to. Nakuha ko lang to sa closet ko.
Ay, sa closet lang yung hindi na cinema.
Existing outfit ko lang siya.
Perfect siya.
Perfect siya for tonight.
Thank you, ate.
Thank you so much, baby
We are so
girl.
excited. Oh! Oh my God, ang guwapo. Wait lang. Someone to give him a microphone or else.
Hello.
Hi, Sir Martin. How are you today?
Excited na ako mapanood yung film namin, Flower Girl.
You are looking very dapper today, I must
Thank you.
say. Parang bagay yung yellow and green.
Yes, oo.
Parang
Floral.
flower talaga kami ngayon. Nakakaloka. Are you proud to be part of this film?
Yes. Excited na ako mapanood.
Yes, it's been so long in the making. Pre-pandemic, nandun na yung script and everything. We're so happy to finally see it come to fruition. With, of course, a star-studded cast like you. I have a very specific question for you, though. You've done a lot of daring roles in the past. So, gaano ka-daring ka dito?
Hindi naman ganun ka-daring.
Ay, ano ba yan? Wag na manood.
Hindi, pero ang nakakaano dito, yung nakaka-shock dito, yung habang ginagawa namin ni Sue, biglang mawawala yung puchi niya.
Nakita namin sa trailer.
Oo, diba?
Yung reaction mo.
Nakaka-intriga. So actually, ito bago ko tanggapin yung film, narinig ko pala idea tungkol to sa babaeng nawawala yung puchi. Doon sobrang nakaka-intrigue siya eh. Doon ako na-excite.
Martin, game ka ba sa walang puchi?
Okay naman, basta...
Basta naka-yellow na flower. Ay, naman!
Yes!
Ano ba yan? Oh, sige na nga, ma'am. I was already wearing this last night, girl. How are you?
I'm good. I'm excited to finally watch Flower Girl.
Are you proud of your castmates? Are you proud of yourself for this film?
Yes, I am, of course. I'm happy I got to work with everyone in this for this movie. I'm sure everybody did their job and did their best, of course. And I'm sure lahat kami excited to watch the film.
So you actually said that you're curious how this film is going to turn out because it's not a typical movie you'd watch. Tell us more about that.
Well, you know, syempre lahat tayo, we want to watch something na out of the box or kakaiba na you'll be surprised when you watch it. So I would say yung ganitong classic film is something that will surprise you in some way.
Oh my gosh, Jameson, we are so excited to see you on our screen. But for now, thank you very much for gracing us with your presence and enjoyed your film. We are so excited to see you.
Thank you so much. Appreciate
Yung
it.
experience to and kinakabahan at excited kasi it's my first holiday career debut so
Oh my God! Congratulations, Direk! We are so proud of you. What's on your mind right now?
excited. I think, yeah.
Oh my God! Ganun pala, shy type pala si Direk. So,
Medyo hindi lang ako sanay dito sa mga parts. You know, I'm a screenwriter so
laging behind the
Yes,
camera.
yes.
Ngayon, ikaw naman naka-spotlight. And we want to know what you have to say. Direk Patrick, anong pinagkaiba ng writing process mo sa Flower Girl compared to Patay na Jesus and Chedeng at Apple?
Oh, yung Flower Girl, sinulat ko siya 2019. I mean, pinig ko siya 2019. Sinulat siya 2020 sa nagka-pandemic. Then, na-shoot namin 2024. Natapos post-prod 2025. Ganun kabagal gumawa. Sabi yung ChatGPT, deserve daw palitan ng AI.
No,
Just kidding.
no AI could never replace this wonderful brain of yours, Direk Patrick. No, we are so excited to see your brainchild. Siyempre, baby mo to eh. At excited ka.
Pero I think andun pa rin naman yung humor ng Patay na Jesus, actually nga si Apple, nandito, irreverent, yeah. May sasabi mo nun nga, para siyang Bisaya humor, kasi I'm from Cebu.
Yeah,
So yung
sabi ni Miss Chai.
So, I think Bisaya humor is more raw, more harsh, because it always comes from the face of love. Hindi siya yung nakikita mo sa press con ng dating former, yeah.
Oh my God. And actually, we want to have Miss Sue on the stage as well. For
Talamak ang pagdidegrade sa mga kapatid natin from the LGBT community. And not only sa mga LGBT, pati sa mga kababaihan, sa mga kalalakihan. So, what this film really screams for is yung equality for everyone. Wala namang masama kung pantay-pantay tayo, di ba?
oh my
Ano
gosh.
bang masama doon?
Wala.
Bakit kailangan nakakalamang? Dapat ba nakakalamang?
Hindi.
Amen?
Grabe, wala pa akong tanong kay Miss Sue. Wala pa akong tanong.
Nagsalita na.
Nagsalita na siya.
Happy Pride.
Happy Pride.
Gusto ko nang manood.
Tapusin na natin to. Nakakaloka. Oh my gosh, Miss Sue, you are so busy. I just saw you a week ago in Lasting Moments, girl. Congratulations. How is this role any different now?
Sobrang iba. Siyempre, walang Gucci si Tina, diba? As compared to walang alaala.
Yeah.
But, yun nga, sobrang kakaiba to dahil itong movie na to will really spark conversations. And that's actually what we really want to happen. Na paglabas ng sinehan ng mga tao, dun pa lang sila magsisimulang magkwentuhan. Dun pa lang nila sisimulan yung topic at dun nila sisimulan yung mga kung ano mang gusto nilang pag-usapan naman.
Oh my gosh. I love Miss Sue.
That's my Flower Girl.
I know exactly kasi si Sir Patrick kanina meron siya reserve siya.
Somewhere there.
Nandito na siya to answer all of the questions. Do you have a message to everyone watching here? Is there anything that you want them to take from this film?
Sana po ay mapanood po ng lahat. This
Yeah.
is Direk Patrick's, I can say, masterpiece. Napakaganda po ng
wow.
script nito. And it means so much talaga, this movie. Marirealize nyo yun pag napanood nyo yung pelikula. Hindi kami lang nagpapatawan dito. Meron kaming gustong sabihin.
Oh my gosh, and we are so excited to witness that ourselves. Thank you. Give it up for Miss Sue Ramirez and Direk Patrick. Ano na, panoorin na kaya natin.